The last lesson I taught you was how to make the shoot.py game. Now I'm going to teach you how to get the pictures. So first, you have to open Google Chrome. Next, write dk.com/computer coding. And then hit enter. Then you have this page. Press the Python. The Python game resource pack. This is what we need. Press on this here button. And then you get the pictures. Next, we have to find press on downloads. Today, Python game resource pack. And then we have all of them. For the first game we're doing is shoot the fruit. Press on shoot the fruit like I did. Press on game file, and then you have the apple picture. And if you want other pictures, then it's on hats and trees, orange and pineapple. I use only orange. If you want to add more, then I'll have another lesson. Then please send me a comment. Then I'll make another video. The next lesson I think I'm going to do is how to have idol.